kalong bahadin bang yoi don ka hakikot kubor ki bong baya kan ka prefab building kamda long kamda bit kamda biang ten reng akwa ban pensyai hakan ka por bangin na kalian ke government namangi hap ban pej atat ya ka jingdon kam kerki namar hakan ka por ngi im hakan ka pandemic kan ka klam ka bajur ba lakum nuk ki infrastructure ngin penkloy ban pendep kat bala na kamenta bangila ban yakun yau neu knyang jingpang ngilarai na kalian ka sorkar ba ngin tau ya ki arteli ki corona health facility hapo ki arteli ki district jongi kawe hapo east Khas Hills ka bamut Hashilong bat kawe pat hapo west Karo Hills ka badai hapo Tura bat ka capacity ka bed capacity jong kini kalong arspa jingtia shispa syatura bat shispa teli hamne hapo Shillong bat yakane kapisang yo sanction reu klur nyau polak tengka bangin sna kerki yakine ki arteli ki corona health facility nakabenta bangin yo bat yakun Kyushu kambha kumno bangin job ya katma jong uni uknyam jingpam kita kidai ki benta ke bangakwa ban pensyai kan kapor kawipat ka bangasukwa aru ban keren nang ne officially kalong bangakwa ban ai koblei kerpang ya pi ki media print bat ki electronic piru piadu thia pidu dem ban ai ya ki information le na ki jing tip na kamta ki jing tip ki pajba jong ga jala ka jongi tenga kwa ban pentip bangi na kaleng ka sarkar ya piru ngisim ba klade lepa ki front line workers jong ka jala ka jongi komo pi tong ni tre rengkat bat ka sarkar ngin ye tre lang khnang ba komo pi ngila ban job ya ka thmaba jong uneu knyang jingpang o bang ye kendu ha kaneka sngi hakini ki por ke bamanta
ngila wanra yang kata formula kama nyerap ya ki numpang hantam ya gini ki baduk mo ngila ong wara ya kata formula kemud hadim dan terus hidup ke formula kadang hilang kacau kena kumno bagi nyerap ki benta ni si ai si penuksa ya ga ai ki baru makan kono hakan kono benta la kala bende haka namakan ka macam ka kawar betang ya ke jalan luar hidup mo jalan luar Most ki ai si ka treatment ki ai ka sumari fever khat dan ni ka cover ya barok kato gina ya kran wati nang kenya ang hospital barok khat tangwa kan ni gawin kalong ba kan ka insurance jemi ka mangi cover ya ki consumables ya ki consumables na do ni kong hi kaya kuta but hadu mentar kalong unta takada namanta ka covid ki haban phong PPE hirung ki haban deng ki kelas man kapur ki am change hap phong takada kadang ke tingki dan inde kran sahabat ki hospital di penyakit hospital min petum no min laban warai door to ki because that problem has come many times. See, when the patient goes to the hospital, it is not that they go and say I want to be registered as an MHIS patient. Okay, it does not work that way. They go to the hospital, they are treated. Okay, they become well, and when the bill is presented to them, they want to be registered in the MHIS. It cannot be done like that. But if you go to the hospital authorities will ask first whether you have got the MHIS card or not. If you don't have, they will tell the relatives. If the patient is very sick, they will tell the relatives, go and register. So on the first day when you go and register yourself, that means you become a beneficiary from that first day. While if you go after the 5th day, you've already been treated, you're all right, and you register, you become a beneficiary from the 5th day. So you cannot say that for this past 5 days, that card should apply. That is the problem. What you're talking about, that is the problem. There are so many cases like that which have come forward. We cannot help because this is insurance. It works that way. And plus, this is a state insurance together with PMJAY. So it is not only the state alone from the MHIS team alone they can decide that. That has to be done. Otherwise there is an audit. There is always a very strict audit on this, and we have to reply. That is the problem.
Actually, it is a problem existing.
from March, we have gone for an intensive registration. We have gone to the villages and we found that many are willing to come forward, okay, realizing the scheme. But there are still many who have to be covered. But because of the pandemic situation now, okay, we cannot go to the field. Once this situation improves, then we go to the field. People get like what you have said, I totally agree with you, that now they realize the benefit of this MHIS and they're coming forward. So we are very confident that from the next policy period onwards, when we go for an intensive drive again, people will come forward and register. Then we get more coverage.
So all private hospitals, they have been notified that for COVID patients also and otherwise also, they inform the office and we do registration every day.
The process is very simple. Now we are going to issue notification by tonight itself. Notification will come out and we authorize the district administration, deputy commissioner along with the DMHO. Then they will identify those deceased and then even the names of the immediate family of deceased, and again DC will send it to the government for sanction, and then the check will be transferred again to the deputy commissioner and the deputy commissioner will hand over to the deceased family. 340. Yeah, from 1st April I think about 340, 350.